In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to verify your age in X, formerly known as Twitter, quickly and easily. Verifying your age is essential for various features and content access on the platform, and I'll guide you through it step by step to ensure your account remains up to date. First, let's start by heading over to X. Open your browser, navigate to x.com, and make sure you're logged into your account. If you're not logged in, go ahead and enter your credentials to access your personal profile. Logging in is crucial as it allows you to make changes to your account settings, including updating personal information like your birth date. Once logged in, look towards the left-hand side of the home page. You'll notice a sidebar. Find and click on the Profile option. This will take you directly to your profile page, where you can manage your personal information and preferences. Now that you're on your profile page, look for the Edit Profile button. This button is usually located towards the right side of your profile picture and name. Clicking it will open up a series of editable fields related to your profile. This is where you can customize various aspects of your account, including your bio, location, and crucially, your birth date. On this editable profile page, you should see an option for birth date. Click on it. It's important to do this, as updating your birth date is a key step in verifying your age on the platform. Remember, keeping this information accurate ensures a smooth user experience with content that's appropriate for your age range. After you've clicked on the birth date, you'll see an Edit button next to your current birth date information. Click on Edit to proceed with adjusting your birth date details. This opens up a date selector, allowing you to input the correct details. Now, carefully enter your correct date of birth. It's essential to double-check that you've entered the right day, month, and year. Accuracy here is crucial because the platform uses this information to determine eligibility for certain features and content. After entering your birth date, you'll find a Save button, usually towards the bottom of this section. Go ahead and click Save to store the changes you've made. This step ensures that your updated birth date is recorded in your account settings. Lastly, the platform may request you to confirm the accuracy of your date of birth. This is a standard precautionary step to ensure the information provided is correct. Double-check one final time to make sure everything is accurate, then confirm your details. And there you have it. You've successfully verified your age on X. This simple yet crucial process ensures a tailored and secure experience on the platform. Thanks for watching, and if you found this guide helpful, be sure to like and subscribe for more content.